So in that 2012 World Cup, which players impressed you the most? A
Well, I
cricketer
think,
like... Hello friends, welcome to SK Live. I'm your host Shanvi Sadana, and today we have our Indian former batsman who is a very well-known coach as well, Mr. Praveen Amre. Good evening, sir. Welcome to SK Live. I'm your host Shanvi Sadana.
hello.
So you trained under Achikar sir with the likes of Sachin Tendulkar and Vinod Kamble. So run us through those days when you were there.
Well, I must say I was fortunate to have I won't say coach, I think I will say guru, like a Ramakant Achrekar sir, because when now we grow up, I think we know the value and more importance those days how he trained us. Not only me, I think many of us were under his wings, and he just took over us. And I remember I was just 10-year-old kid. So you can imagine like everything just holding the grip of the bat and all those things. Ashik sir was everything for me basically.
And your memories with Sachin Tendulkar, is he the biggest batting great you have seen in your life, or is it Sunil
Well,
Gavaskar, the biggest?
Well, I think we grew up watching Sunil Gavaskar. To be honest, like he was my idol when I was a 10-year-old kid. But I was again fortunate to see like Sachin Tendulkar's of making in Ramakant Achrekar's net, because when I was a
Right.
14-year-old, he came there. He's exactly 10-year-old, and I just saw his first day at the nets, and I was witness of his 200 Test match innings in Wankhede also. So it was a long journey. I was a witness, and I just recollect it was like how Achrekar sir was given the every important guidance for Sachin also. But for us, the Achrekar sir, great name for Achrekar sir. Like for sir, he was everyone's coach. It's not like because you are played for country. I think there are many more than 50 Ranji Trophy player was produced by Achrekar sir.
Wow. Must have been an awesome experience.
Well, yeah, definitely. Because now when we go back, right now I'm 51, so it's like going back 40 years back when we just started our playing days, and we just gone there, not really having a dream of playing for country. We went there to just go and learn cricket. I think it's just started there from there with Achrekar sir net, and it was so important to go there and winning school matches, Gail Shield Championship, and how Achrekar sir was made everyone a disciplined people of him. That was everything that a trademark. If you come out from Oxford University, it's like they are graduate. And from Achrekar's nursery, it was like they know the small thing about cricket. It's like how to be a good team man, how to be good in a running between the wicket, all those things, how to play under pressure. I think that was the key. I think sir has taught us to how to play under the under pressure, because that's what matters. I think ultimately when you play for a country.
Right, that's right. And your memories of the under 19 World Cup winning team in 2012, how was it coaching a young side like that?
Well, I think I was always involved with the junior cricket, because my coaching assignment started with the Shivaji Park Gymkhana's academy. It was under 15. So I was just under 12 and under 15 age group. So I was very connected with that. And I think I remember when I started Shivaji Park Gymkhana Academy, Achrekar sir was there to inaugurate that. So I think that was the thing, because that I learned from Achrekar sir, because when you become a coach, you are not an India player, and it's you have to go in that shoes and be with the kids what they demand. And that was my journey actually. Like I was part of coaching under 12 also, under 15 also, under 19, and gradually I come to the Mumbai Ranji and then the IPL. So I think it was important. My journey was also like a player. It was like I played for under 15, and then 19, then university, then Ranji, and then for a country and a World Cup. But the same exactly happened with me, my coaching journey also. I was a part of junior, and how important that time, because I believe that every stage is important. The coaches' roles are important to take the players to the next level.
Right. So in that 2012 World Cup, which players impressed you the most? A
Well, I
cricketer
think
like Hari?
I will not. Yeah, but I will not name everything. I think we are also under the Achekar sir learned that playing as a team is very collective. That was very important. And also, like when you are a junior coach, it is not like a one player. I think it is important to get them to the make sure that every player come from different state. So make sure they go and represent their state in the first class cricket, and then they can go to India A and then gradually go to the Indian team. So I think the whole thing is like to. I think it exactly happened to me when I played in for under 19 for a country. I think that's the era where players started believing that you can play for a country, and I think that's very important to make them believe that they got a capacity to play for a country. It's not just playing under 19. I think it's all about going to the next level, like going and serving to the US state team, doing well in a Ranji season, and then coming to the test team. Ultimate goal is that because so many junior believe that they wanted to be only in a junior World Cup and all, but I think that's just the beginning. I always say like it's always important to come in a men's world rather than playing in the boys world, basically.
Okay. So what was the role of Saurav Ganguly in Delhi Capitals that the entire team played so competitively last year?
Well, I think, like I said, I was there for 5 years, and 4 years we struggled to come in a playoffs. So I think that was the thing. I think Saurav played the role that given the entire team, and not only the team, I think the management, the coaches, even the owners, he guided properly, like how you can be a successful. It's not a thing like your job is not done when you pick a team in auction table. It is also important to see that the players are doing well on the field. And I think that's where he came personally. He was there for every practice session. He was there in all team selection meeting. And I think players was very thing like the backing was there. Like we trust that. I think that was a Shreyas. I think he backed Shreyas Iyer as a captain, and I think that was a big move. Delhi made like a very young captain they trust, because IPL is the tournament where you need a very experienced captain, and Delhi came with a different formula, like backing youngsters like Shreyas was there, Rishabh Pant was there. I think those are the guys they back, and I think they deliver. That's very important. But that happened when Saurav, Ricky played a very important role for the team, because it's like a coach role is also like getting best when a crucial time, basically. And last year, if we remember, like Delhi won as many matches when the Mumbai and Chennai won. So in a league, Delhi was also with the 18 points. So I think that was the biggest success. And it doesn't happen because success doesn't happen with it's not an accident. I think there was a process behind that, basically.
Right. So how do you see yourself in Mumbai Indians, and why is the team so strong?
Well, I think there are both, I will say. The players' contribution is immense. If you see like last 2-3 years, I think Rohit as a leader come up very strongly. I think that was one of the thing. They also picked the balanced team. One of the main thing, like they got a best attack, I will say, Bumrah, Malinga. Those are the thing. And most important in the IPL also, like getting explosive power hitters like a Pollard and Pandya brothers. I think those are the key factors for Mumbai Indians. I think that makes them a very strong team. And also I will say like it is also Mumbai. There is a culture about it's all about winning, giving you 100% for that winning. And I think that's also there. It's sometimes it looks like a more pressure, but I think you don't enjoy without winning. So that's the main thing. You give very hardship for your preparations. So those are the small things. What I also learned there in Mumbai Indians, like they give more value for preparations. They look after the players. I think those are also small things where the players also give 100% for the franchisee. Because if you see their 2 championship was I think by 1 run. So I think that's when you win the close matches, you play with as a team. And I think that's very good thing about Mumbai management. I can say like they are done. Like players are giving the best when really matters.
Right. So tell us about Mumbai Indians captain Rohit Sharma's style of cricket. Has batting up the order helped Rohit immensely?
I think that's the greatness about player. Like you can play at any number. If you see, I think that's very important also. And I think Rohit is that type of a player. I saw his journey. As I said, like when I saw Shreyas Iyer also, Ajinkya also, I also saw Rohit debut for a Mumbai Ranji. So I was also with him, and I just also watch his graph, how he handles, how he went up, and also up and down. But I think how he lifted himself, I think is unbelievable. I think so. I think that the role, I think what about as a captain, he is the one who fits it at any number. Basically, he got that game basically. So I think it's become easy for a management also. It's because IPL is sometimes auction you plan, but sometimes you miss out with the opener, sometimes you miss out with the middle order. So I think that's the when you he's the player who can balance your team. And I think most important, you have to be the match winner, and that's exactly Rohit is all about. He's the match winner.
Yes, right. So has IPL changed the face of Indian cricket? Do we have more talent today?
I think absolutely, because when I see last 10 years journey of the players, I think when I see like even a Shreyas Iyer's success, I think we have to give a lot of credit to the IPL also, because
Yes.
I think he's sharing the dressing room with the Ricky Ponting and Saurav Ganguly is talking one on one with them. I think that's a really learning, because he's the player. He's not played Test cricket, but he's playing with so many Test player who have played so many Test matches. So I think
Yes.
he's the fine example of because of the IPL it happened, and I think that's also gives him also confidence. He's not just far away from the others are doing. He's not far. He's just close for that. So IPL always given them not only the financial, I think more mentally, and I think the confidence. I think we look like that. I think 15-20 years back, I wasn't locked that fearless. What when I see like today's generation, they are really
Yes.
fearless and they play, and that is what they everybody want in a T20 format. I think that's a good thing happen basically.
So do you think that the cricketers relate to Indian coaches more than foreign coaches?
Well, I think I won't say like a good coach is a good coach. We cannot
Right.
say that as a foreign coaches.
Yes.
I think it's all about your knowledge also. It's very important. Also, your personality to convince the players. It doesn't matter. I personally don't blame like he's a foreign coach. I think it's a good coach. Like I'm from India, but if my work was good, that's why I was called in US. So I think it should be same. I don't believe in that like he's a foreign coach, or because we should not given we are Indian coach, we should not be given that extra facility. If we are good, we should be there. That should be the bottom line.
Okay. So current BCCI President Saurav Ganguly once suggested that every IPL team should have an Indian coach. Do you agree with that?
I think it's very important simply because the format of the IPL, seven
Yes.
players are Indian. So I think
Yes.
in playing 11, so you just see like 70% Indian players are there, and you see like some of the players are having a problem with the language. So
Yes.
in the IPL, it's such a short tournament. You come for, and it's for a head
Yes.
coaches, it's not that easy to interact, and it will be always a better for players also when they see the Indian coaches. They can speak in their mother tongue, or they can speak in a Hindi, because as a thing in the coaching is, as I said, it's a communication is important. So
Of course.
sometimes I think that's a very important part to see that the players get a communication. If only the some player, it's not their problem like they can't speak English, so but they got a
Right.
skill. So it's important to
Right.
have Indian coaches in IPL. So what happens like they get better communication, they feel confident also. Sometimes
That
they don't feel comfortable also sometimes with the foreign coaches, not because they think only sometimes because of the language. And I think it's such a small thing basically.
yes, definitely. So how do you rate the current Indian batting?
Well, I think, as I said, like last tour was one of the toughest tour for a thing, and I always believe like when you wanted to do well in abroad, it's all about it's like how you start. It's openers roles are very important, and I think
Yes.
that's the thing you have to work on those aspects. We are seen in the history also when we get a 50-run start, we are a different team. So I think that's the role of the openers. I think that's the area everyone make sure, and it's not like thing. That's what I was mentioning, that about like how it's important to having a entire one unit of batting. It's not a one or two players. So I think that's what I think. It's I'm sure like we are working on that. It's one of the tour, but before that we are done so well in Australia also, and obviously we are always doing well in a home series. So but I think we got one of the best right now, the talent for a test cricket. I will say there are players who can doing such a well for that format, and I think the Pujara's role is so important, so the Virat role is so critical, but so the Ajinkya's role is also important, because these are the three players very, very important, and when we get a good start, and I think we are a different team.